my first hip replacement, they put in a metal-on-metal implant, which was great for a little while. And then I started having some complications secondary to metallosis. I was having some side effects, tinnitus, some blurred vision, and just kind of a generalized skin irritation pretty regularly. But I wasn't really aware at the time that it was related to the metallosis.
The metal-on-metal implants creates a debris, the metal debris which the body can't clear. Those particles had dug holes in his bones. In AJ's case, his socket portion was kind of like Swiss cheese.
I was getting good surveillance from physicians and healthcare providers, but no one could really definitively tell me that it had to come out.
A lot of these patients feel great, their hips feel great, and the debris is not necessarily felt, and it can destroy both the muscles and the bone. So what happens is that blood supply is affected, and then sometimes 6 or 7 months later, they can't walk, and the bone dies, and that's the necrosis.
My safety was at risk from a pelvic fracture. Yeah, it was dying bone that was a year and a half ago, healthy bone.
When I took out his metal component, I filled in the holes with bone graft that would grow in and harden immediately to fill in those holes, and then I put in a new cup in there.
My experience was very positive. Bobby's, who saw me before my surgery, he was definitely the point man for my care, and I felt very connected to him as my provider. It's comforting to know that your surgeon is the one that's checking on you. And so yeah, he was very hands-on in the whole process.
One thing about hip replacement, it is the most successful surgery because it changes people's lives. I can't tell you how many patients it has changed their life to allow them to go back to ski and doing activities. If you're in pain, why are you in pain? You know, why is it limiting you? Why are you waiting?
Ultimately, I would like to be able to play golf this summer and walk 18 holes and carry my own bag regularly. So that's a good goal for me. I couldn't ask for more. I had a great outcome, and I give him all the credit, 10 out of 10 for Bobby in my book.